Hey everybody, welcome back to RC with Adam. My name is Adam and this is the Flysky FS-i6S transmitter. And in this video, I want to show you how to set up the dual rate Expo switch function. And we won't talk so much about what those things are. I'll talk about that in a separate video, but I just want to show you how to set up the switch. So let's get started. Let's get into our transmitter. Let's press and hold this little unlock button. And let's get into the function menu, and we want to scroll down because the first thing we need to do is go to the rate Expo switch, and then we need to assign a switch. Right now it says null because there's nothing. I like mine to be on switch D, which is this far right switch. That's just kind of how I've had it, and I like having it there. And it's far away from my arming switch, so I don't have to worry about getting the two confused ever. So let's have it at switch D. Okay, and that's all we need to do there. Let's back out and let's go to rate Expo right there. Now we have the switch here, and you see when we flip the switch, you can see that it goes from sport. It goes between sport and normal. Now, Flysky, for some reason, in all their wisdom, they decided that these switches should be normally in like the up position, which, you know, okay, maybe. But I like it so that my high rates have the switch up and my low rates have the switch down. So basically, if I want it to fly very docile and gently, I'll have the switch down. If I need more control over it, if it's windy, I have the switch up. That's how I like to have it. Now, right here it says normal when the switch is up, and when the switch is down it says sport. Just ignore that because it doesn't really matter what this says here because you can set the rates however the heck you want. So for this example, let's say I just want to change the rates in the Expo for the down position, because that would leave the up position to just at 100%. Okay, so let's say I want to change it like that, and you'll see here it says sport. And so if we want to change, let's say we want to change channel 4. So the channel 4 here, the rate is right here, and it's selected, so we can decrease it from 100. So we can say, hey, you know, I don't want 100%. Maybe I want 60% throws. People also call it throws because you're talking about how much the servo is moving. So maybe I want the servo to only move, you know, 60%, and I'm going to select the Expo here, and then I want it to have some Expo. You know, give it a little bit more smoothness. Let's say, you know, let's say maybe 30% Expo, something like that. So you'll notice that when we flip the switch back up, it goes back to our high rates, and when we switch it down, it goes back to our low rates, what I call the low rates, just as an example. So on our little trainer example airplane here, here's our rudder and our rudder servo, and so you can see, well, first let me show you on regular, just 100% rates, 0 Expo, it looks like this. So that's how it is normally. If we switch the switch down to our new rates here, we have a rate of 60 and an Expo of 30. And you won't be able to see the Expo too much. You can see it on this little graph right here. But that's what it looks like. So for example, let's put it all the way deflected to the right, and then I'll flip the switch up, and you can see we get that much more deflection. So switch up, switch down, switch up, switch down. High rates, low rates, high rates, low rates. And you can do that for channels 1, 2, and 4. I hope this was helpful for you guys if you were just trying to figure out how to set up these switches like that. And if it was, leave me a comment. If you still have questions and you're like, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, leave me a comment. Maybe I or somebody else will be able to help you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your time. And I will see you again very soon. And if you love this video, check out this other video right here. You might love it just as much. Thanks for watching. Bye.